Okay, then you have to press on this. Oh, you can go for it. Okay. Sorry.
Okay, reverse a bit.
Sometimes you cannot. I find it sometimes a bit scary.
Yeah. It's okay lah, works for the most part.
Yeah. I guess one of the things that I don't like, within 5 weeks you have to go back to the service center.
Oh, that's true, that's true. But what's the mileage now?
So far I've driven close to 2.8.
2.8k.
Yeah, 2.8k.
Oh, for 5 weeks that's a lot.
Yeah lah, I mean, I think when you just get a car.
Go to work, right? Yeah, because you go to work and stuff.
Yeah. So my daily, if I'm going to office, my office still work from home half the time. So if I'm going to office already, it's about 60-65 km.
Yeah.
In a day, just to commute. And then I tend to pick up my wife. She works at Bukit Panjang. She lives at Farrer Park. So sometimes I have to drop her off.
Oh, okay.
Easily adds up to 100 km in a day. Yeah.
Oh, that's a lot.
That's why I said the adaptive cruise control is quite fun to use.
Okay. Can we?
Yeah, you can try. Yeah. So in this view,
now turn half
so you have to push it to you, right? Alright.
Okay.
Please follow the CTE for 3 kilometers.
Oh, damn.
Yeah,
No chance, no chance.
I think CTE is standard lah.
Yeah, they're busy.
As long as rain, you jam out.
Prepare to drive to the right.
Prepare to drive to the right.
I think BIE or good. Yeah, I think so. I think BIE jump.
Yeah. No, the latest 3 Series, the G20
Oh.
coming up on your right. Look at that. 320i.
Oh, it's also SMT, so it's very new.
Yeah.
It's around.
Yours is SMT.
SMT,
SMT
yeah,
also.
so
Okay.
around last month probably. You bought it. Hopefully you drive the RS245 much better weather lah.
Yeah,
You
hopefully.
definitely need to rev it up.
Yeah, that's true, that's true.
And it has a lot of those RS badging everywhere, so that's quite nice. It has a red leather stitching. I liked it. I liked it. It also has a sporty seat. But one thing interesting was I did like the what's that? The
Lumbar support.
No, that leather thing called what's the material?
Alcantara?
Alcantara seats.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So that's the thing. I know it's supposed to be premium, but I actually didn't really like it.
Oh, that one is usually those performance cars they'll put it in.
Yeah, but again, it felt like it would have.
It doesn't feel expensive, right?
Yeah, it doesn't.
I know what you mean. Yeah.
But people actually pay more premium for it, so I just couldn't understand that. So
Yeah, because I think it's not something you find in most cars.
yes.
Yeah, so quite special. Yeah.
I was just worried that cleaning it might be an issue.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
And, especially if say, after a football session with friends, you sit inside, your sweat sticks to it.
That's
So
true.
I don't know how
You cannot wipe. Yeah, you cannot wipe it off. Yeah.
I'm not sure.